breaking news that Narcotics Control Bureau in 2 days' time, the time given by the court, they have filed this reply, and the reply for the bail application, NCB had said that role of one accused cannot be dissected from the another. What they are trying to say is that Aryan Khan's case cannot be segregated from the others. His role cannot be segregated from others. Even there is no recovery of small substances, even if there is no recovery, because there was no recovery from Aryan Khan, even if there is no recovery of narcotic substances, that accused are involved in the conspiracy. Aryan Khan, according to them, is involved in the conspiracy. The Khan was accused of being used to procure contraband. He has been accused of buying the contraband substance, and the contraband was found in possession in the custody of Arbaz merchant who was accompanying Aryan Khan when he had reached to the boat. The investigations pertaining to transactions aboard need to be investigated and are being investigated. Devesh, as expected, Section 29 has been applied on this case, and now NCB says that all the people who have been arrested, around 20 people, all of them are part of the conspiracy. Even if there is nothing found on Aryan Khan, he cannot be segregated from others. He cannot be, the case cannot be built up saying that Aryan Khan has nothing to do with others. He cannot be tried separately. So that is the reason why he should not be getting bail. What more you are getting on Narcotics Control Bureau's reply on this in the court today? Devesh?
Filed their reply, their response to the bail application that has been moved by Aryan Khan at the Sessions Court. The NDPS court is going to hear the bail application at 2:45 p.m. But what we've learned from our sources is that the Narcotics Control Bureau has stated that the role of accused, one accused cannot be dissected from the other accused. So here they are clarifying that Aryan Khan, who was arrested without any recovery of drugs, but he was crucial part of the conspiracy because he had been used for procurement of drugs. And that is why his role is very important in the case. His role comes up in conspiracy in this whole case along with the other accused. That is the point that Narcotics Control Bureau has made. Also, during the last hearing at the Metropolitan Magistrate Court, NCB had stated that if the accused, who comes from an influential family, if he is released on bail, he could tamper with the evidences, he could influence witnesses. That is the ground that NCB has maintained in the magistrate court, and what we hear is they're going to maintain the same ground at the Sessions Court also, opposing the bail of Aryan Khan. Remember,
that this case is the most important case for Narcotics Control Bureau, and that is one of the reasons